Won Olympic gold last night. You might have wondered why he had those deep purple dots all over his shoulders. Turns out it's a new type of therapy with its beginnings here in the Bay Area. Growing number of professional athletes now swear by it. But unlike what many believe, it is not the traditional Chinese medicine.
Meet physical therapist and UCSF assistant professor Chris DePrato. This guy's leaving a real mark at the Rio Olympics.
So this is provided mostly by physical therapists and athletic trainers in the Olympic Village. Many sports use it. I think the gymnasts and the swimmers get the most coverage because they're the least clothed individuals with it. But a lot of the athletes are going to benefit from kind of better range of motion or better efficiency of movement is really what we're striving for with these techniques.
Chris developed a technique now being used by American Olympic athletes such as Michael Phelps. And you can see it on his Instagram account, as well as snippets on his Under Armour commercial.
Open. Pull that off, and you see it's a little bit red.
It looks like traditional Chinese medicine, but it's not.
So they're not placed on acupuncture points. Reach up, reach across.
Athletes also move and stretch during the therapy. The technique is called myofascial decompression, or MFD for short. With training, pro athletes can develop scar tissue that inhibits motion. Using a pneumatic device, these cups, called decompressors, suck up muscle and loosen up the scar tissue.
It was good. It just feels like quite a strong, intense stretch, but there's no pain during the movement.
As for those purple dots,
they'll go away within like 5 to 10 days.
The latest in Olympic chic.
Chris says that he perfected MFD on athletes at Cal. Just last April, he went to Colorado Springs to